Girl, why you got the beanie on top of the hoodie? What's the point?
I don't know.
I woke up to a new day, and today is a very odd day because it is a snow day in Texas. Well, at least in South Texas, because it's kind of odd for that to happen out here. Oh, my aqua bag. Surprisingly, it has some snow on it. Yesterday, we put some tarp on them just in case it froze. Let's see how deep it is. The last time I saw snow was when we went to Colorado in that other vlog. That was a lot of fun. I was with all my friends. Look at this. It is currently still snowing. It's gonna stop snowing in about an hour. It's been snowing since 2 in the morning all the way to about 11. And it's like 10 right now, so. Oh, I was considering coming out here a lot earlier, but I was like, you know what? It's just too much. Ah! It's so cold. It's so cold. Oh, it's very pretty. What happened? Yeah, ma. Estrenando.
Esta es la de mi ma. I just got it from my mom's closet.
We'll take the tag off, yeah.
Oh, it has a tag?
Yeah, hold on, hold this.
I think it was from Christmas.
No way this comes as part of it. Any minute now, you know? Any minute now.
It looks like a gnome.
Jump! Here, you want to hold this like this and vlog while you're jumping? Hold it.
It's so hard to jump!
Girl, why you got it on reversed? You do not know how to wear a beanie.
I don't.
Come on. You look like the guy from Home Alone.
Oh!
Dang, that's a big old snow angel. That's the biggest snow angel I've ever seen. Yes, thank you so much. So pretty much, we're here in this snow blizzard, and we've got kids playing. There's this big old girl playing, and she's got this big old thing. Oh my god.
My face feels so numb.
It's so much, it's still going. No,
0.5 vlog.
Chat, then we're gonna go inside for a little bit, and then later we'll see what we do. I don't know, I might go with my friends or something. Oh shit! Come on, can you do 2 people? Yeah. How do you do it? I've never done this before. All you do is sit, bro. Oh shit. Can you do 3 people?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, but my ass is... You go to the front, bro.
You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Hell no.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
At some point. Hey, bro, get off, bro. It's alright, bro.
Cause y'all did it wrong, bro. Look.
Hey, what? She said we heavy, bro. Too much carne.
Shake, huh? Watch this though.
Oh, hey, what the? That was a headshot. Nah, it's worn out, Alma. It's worn out. What happened? What happened?
Sentí que me cayó. Hold on. Sentí que me cayó una vaca encima. No.
Get him! Get him! That right, Steve?
Who gotta pay?
Who gotta pay? You gotta pay for that, right, Steve? You gotta pay for that, right, Steve?
Who gotta pay?
Please. Please.
Clock tower. If you hate me, you hate Mexicans.
Caught on camera right there, folks.
Girl, nobody was aiming at you. Oh, hell nah. Oh, my face.
Don't do my sister!
Oh, no.
Stop it!
Ay, güey, mi mente.
It's snowing. Do a snow angel. Abre la boca. Look, group, team meeting. Come on, Carlos. Come on. Get him. How we gonna do this, bro? Let me get a snowball. You get the thing. You want snowball, me want snowball, like a duel. Come on, bro. Come on. Look, let's do it right here. One on one, boy. One on one, boy.
No siento las manos.
Oiga, mi pipiringa debe de sentirse así. Mi pipiringa debe de sentirse así. Oye,
¿tú la sientes
¿tu
todavía?
pipiringa se siente así?
¿Tú la sientes
¿Tu
todavía?
pipiringa se siente así?
¿Cuál pipirín?
¿Tu pipiringa? Yo no,
No,
la siento,
no la
pa. ¿No la sientes? No. ¿Tu pipiringa cómo anda?
Congelada.
Te miras como Kiko, güey, la neta. Peep that.
Yes, sí.
Oh, who did that, twin? It was Montaña Everest. Wasn't it?
Way too close. I said again.
3, 2.
Right there.
It appears the snow has grown quite large. This here is Didius Maximus. Oh!
Yeah,
I got you, my boy. I got you.
I didn't even.
I got you, my boy.
I didn't do that thing!
Why is it all in the camera not to get to you?
He crushed out for real. Hi.
You know who? Oh, you know who? No, it wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Go, get Brian! Yeah, Brian!
¿Tú qué, güey? Me vas para allá. Que se van a armar los putazos. Hang on, wait a minute. Took it out on the 3 strokes.
The what?
I lost all my breath on the 3 strokes.
He 3-stroked me?
I mean, my shit good, huh? Huh? It's been under my impression that he said it's not him, que no le toca. But here you go. What is that? What is Animal Planet Live? It's a cheetah right here.
Settle down.
We gotta chase you down. Come on, boy.
Yeah, I went too far.
I agree with that statement. Come. Whoa, no, actually, bro.
Oh, I thought you meant like that. Oh, shit.
Nah, y'all missed, bruh. Run! Why y'all running fast enough? Jálale por las patas.
No, I'm gonna go tackle his ass. That's what you want to see?
On the way to the truck.
You want to see some football shit right here?
Oh! Ah!
So fast.
He's so far. What happened, bro?
I ain't feel like running that much.
I thought you were like running by the legs.
He's fast.
I was, but my gloves were slipping off of him. Push his ass in the water.
Yeah.
Chat, I don't think it's that serious, chat. Look how far this boy went. It's that serious. I'm making it that serious. No, not you. For him.
Yeah.
You want to see him in the water? You know how to swim? Yeah. We gonna find out today.
Oh no.
Hey, that's too far, gang. Let him come back. Come on, grab him. No, he's going away.
Dang, y'all nose red as. Oh, your face is red. I'm not surprised if you can see it. No, bro, you get sick fast.
Chat.
Man,
¿Me rojo?
it's pretty bad. No, you're good. You black, bro. Oh, your ears red?
Damn. My hair's always red, bro. Hey, look, check this out. Damn. What you mean, damn? Damn. Say it again. Say it again. Stay right here. Damn.
Tackle, Augie, tackle. Oh. Hey, yo. Yeah.
I was just trying to he took it somewhere else.
Now your face red.
He took it somewhere else.
I say.
Somewhere else.
Sorry, I say Carlos and Augie try to wrestle.
It was the caving jack, bro.
Not me. Ooh. That would be good.
Missed it. They were fucking. Oh. I can't put that in a video.
We were fighting. We were fighting.
So who won?
It was like a exciting fight.
Oh, they want a picture. I bet y'all get it together. Oh!
No.
Y'all getting me. Get on again. Alright, chat, so I completely forgot to outro this video when I filmed it because it was just a snow day. Come on, like, I got home and I enjoyed the rest of the snow. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. They're so close to like 4K at this point. And I just wanted to say thank you for all the support you guys have been showing, first of all. Yeah, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.